learn about noise pollution, causes of noise pollution, and prevention of noise pollution. Noise pollution, the presence of loud, unwanted, and disturbing sound in our environment, is called noise pollution. What causes of noise pollution? Point 1. Motor vehicles on road. Point 2. Bursting of crackers. Point 3. Loudspeaker at high volume. Point 4. Construction of building. Point 5. TV at high volume. Point 6. Use of kitchen appliance. How to reduce noise pollution? Point 1. Close the windows. Point 2. Use of modern acoustic wall panels. Point 3. Turn off electronic devices or reduce the volume. Point 4. Plant trees. Point 5. The use of climbing green waves. Point 6. Declare a no horn zone in hospital, school, and residential areas.